Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the government.uk ID check app. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So from here, all you have to do is to make sure to download the application. In case you don't know how to do it, then simply go to the Play Store, and then from here going to search for the government.uk ID app. And once you do that, it's going to show you this app right here. And so you're going to click on it. And this is going to show you the home page for it, and you can simply download it and install it, and you'll see all the reviews under it. Once you do so, click on open, and now it's going to show you this page where you're going to help improve the app by sharing analytics. So once you click on continue, you're going to allow it to give you all the analytics for it. Click on allow, and once you do so, it's going to give you a check is secure to form, so click on continue again. And once you do so, it's going to send you to another website where it's going to show you the main website right here. So accept additional cookies. And now from here, you're going to link this app to government.uk. So government.uk is the main website that you're going to log in your ID in. So link app to continue. And now from here, did you start on a computer or tablet? Then simply click that you have started on a phone, the tablet. So we're going to click no, I started on this phone. And now from here, going to click, you will need to download the government.uk.id on page open, scroll the link, and then tap the link. So from here, go to your browser, which has the download this. And then from here, once you see the instructions, it mainly says to go to the website, and from there, you're going to link your ID check-in. So from here, all you have to do is leave, go to your browser, and you're going to search for government.uk, which is right there, and go to the main page of it. Once you do so, you're going to scroll down until you see the button that says get the government.uk application. Click on it. And then from here, you're going to scroll down again until you see the button that says the check-in, which is going to be right here, government.uk ID check app. Click on it. Now from here, you're going to scroll down. And so from here, you're going to download the app, scan the QR code and connect it. And so you're going to use your ID and follow the instructions. The app will check everything from here. And once you finish downloading the application, it's going to show you a link that you're going to use so you can check in your ID. And if you need any help, then simply click on Contact Government UK, and they will help you with the instructions that you are following. And this is your reference code that you can send in to contact them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.